Welcome to taste.com.au 20-minute dinners. Today we've got Shelley in the kitchen and we're cooking
Mongolian minced beef fried rice, and I cannot tell you how excited I am for this. My family loved this one.
in 20 minutes.
In 20 minutes.
Can't wait.
Okay, so Amira, to save some time, we've used some microwave rice. Now that just needs to go into the microwave for 2 minutes. Would you mind helping with that?
Sure.
And I will make the sauce that we're going to use, our Mongolian sauce. So in a jug, just mix some brown sugar, some hoisin sauce, some soy sauce, and a little bit of water. And then just whisk all that together, and the sauce is done. Ready to go on our fried rice. Now our wok's hot. We're just gonna add a little bit of oil and our beef mince. And just break that up. That's gonna take about 3 minutes, and then we're done. We're just gonna push it to one side. You don't need to worry about it not being completely cooked. So I just pop my eggs on the other side of the dish, and then I scramble them while they're in the wok. Now we're going to pop in some ginger, some garlic, and we're gonna stir all that together just to cook off the ginger and the garlic a little bit, so like 30 seconds. Now we're going to add the broccoli. What I've done here is really finely chopped it, and I've done that so that it cooks super quickly. So here's where using microwave rice is great, because we don't need to pre-cook rice and then dry it out overnight in the fridge. We'll pop in our frozen peas for a bit more veg and our shallots. At the same time, we're going to pour in our Mongolian sauce. And once that's all heated through, it's time to serve.
That looks amazing, Shelley, and it smells fantastic.
It does, it smells incredible, and it's so nice and saucy, which I love. And I think the family are gonna love it. Would you like to try some?
I would love some,
Here
actually.
you go, let me serve you.
And I love that it's all in one pot. It's fantastic.
Would you like a little bit of sesame seeds?
Sure, why
here?
not? Better than takeaway. Mm-hmm. Absolutely. Delicious.
Absolutely. I don't know whether there'll be any left for the kids though.
True. Check out more 20-minute dinners at taste.com.au.